Okay. Thanks for inviting me. Have you ever typed your name into an answer engine, Claude, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, to see what it's saying about you or your company? Or closer to home, have you ever typed in something like top hangout near Harvard Square and asked yourself, well, why did Brattle Theater come up first with Claude? Well, this is what we do at BrandRank, and we do it at scale. We help brands measure, protect, and grow trust through AI-driven search and discovery. And I'm an HBS graduate. My colleague, Hank Hudepol, is from the college. And combined, we have experience, deep experience at Procter & Gamble, Nestle, Nielsen, TripAdvisor, and Paycor, big SaaS initiative. And we have a great group of investors. We've raised about $1.5 million. And investors include everyone from John Pepper, former CEO of P&G, to my former business school section mate, Sheryl Sandberg, and really supportive of what we're doing. The problem and challenge that we are addressing is that AI decides what consumers see, and brands are losing control of the narrative. And the numbers are mind-boggling. 7 billion visits to answer engines every single month, and that's before you count Google's shift. And brands don't know what to measure, where to start, and certainly how to win. So we have built a SaaS platform that we sell to brands at about $2,000 to $3,000 per month per brand, 90% margins, by the way. And it does three things. It measures visibility, do you show up? Vulnerability, how well do you show up? Because a lot of brands show up with a big wart on their face. And third, readiness. Do you know how to market to algorithms, which is mission critical in the age of AI? And here's just a snapshot of what it looks like in terms of looking at the dashboard around visibility, readiness. We measure different levels of readiness, and of course, different levels of vulnerability, which can have a huge market cost for brands. We have a very aggressive roadmap, especially on the brand defense side. We're going big on anti-hallucinations, misinformation, brand accuracy, doing a ton of work in health, wellness, and nutrition, trust-sensitive categories. Size of the opportunity is massive. The search business is $250 billion. Market research is $50 billion. AI, unstoppable. We're right in the middle of that zone. There's a big unlock there. We're getting a lot of traction after a year and a half, 70K MRR, 40 brands, but not just any customer. We have gone after the marquee customers that not only bring revenue, but are helping to make the market define the industry standards. And they're giving us a ton of advocacy. They're dancing on stage with it. They want to be part of our story, especially because we're so focused on trust. Why will we win? Yes, we have competitors that have gotten a ton of Silicon Valley money, $50 million. I don't know what they're going to do with it. But we really believe you can't just promote brands. You have to defend brands to win. And so we're playing holistically. We've gone after the strategic partners, exclusive partnership with the Better Business Bureau, the #1 trust mark. If you're not thinking about trust, you can't win in this space. And déjà vu. I've done this before. I launched a startup, sold it to Nielsen. So a little bit of rinse and repeat as I approach this. Last point, if you're skeptical, judges or anybody, just type in my name, tap in BrandRank, tap in any hard question about our business, and I'm very confident you'll be surprised at what any of the answer engines say. Thank you.
Okay, good timing there. All right.